And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 201. Let me show the poster edges effect. So it's another filter that can be found under filter, filter gallery, artistic, poster edges. You can also find it via the drop down, which is alphabetically sorted. Just hold Alt here and use the mouse wheel to zoom out. And then we have 3 adjustment options. The edge thickness controls the width of the dark lines. So this outline that's created. A higher value makes them thicker, a lower value thinner. The edge intensity determines the contrast between the colored areas and the outlines. So in simple terms, higher values make the edges more intense, more prominent you could say, and lower values soften them a little bit. And then we have finally the posterization, and I would almost describe this as a randomization effect. This controls the number of color levels of the image that are posterized. So the lower you go, the more simplified it's going to get. And the higher you go, the more details and colors there will be. But it's also going to be less dramatic, you could say. For my example here, let me go to around 6.1. And for posterization, I go a little bit more up. And let me go to 5 as well. And the result is almost a comic-like poster effect. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.